We're moving now into the fantasy category. The registration number is 2896. 2896. Let's welcome Devika Singh Joseph with her portrait of Radiance from Within. On stage, Devika Singh Joseph with her portrait of Radiance from Within. The registration number for this portrait is 2896. 2896.
The only thing we need to change the lens on this. We need to change the lens on this if we're doing it with videos. I need a shorter lens. You know, just to pull all the way back and I can't get all of her. Yeah?